Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at the ATM. First, locate an ATM with a contactless reader, often marked with a specific symbol. Then, open your wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and select the card you wish to use. Finally, authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode before proceeding with your transaction. This method offers a secure and convenient way to access your funds. Finding a compatible ATM is straightforward. Look for the universal contactless symbol, which resembles a sideways Wi-Fi icon, usually found near the card reader. Many prominent banks, such as Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America, have widely adopted this technology. Some ATMs might also explicitly display the Apple Pay logo, making them even easier to identify for a quick and secure transaction. To perform your transaction, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch a few inches away from the contactless reader on the ATM. Your device will prompt you to confirm your identity using your preferred method, whether that's Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, follow the clear on-screen instructions to complete your withdrawal, deposit, or other banking needs quickly and securely. Using Apple Pay at the ATM offers significant benefits, primarily enhanced security. Your actual card number is never transmitted, protecting your financial information from skimming devices. This method provides a faster and more convenient way to access cash without needing your physical card. Every transaction is further secured by your device's biometric authentication or passcode, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.